Hello, I want to show you how you can quickly create a simple website using Astro. Astro is a static website generator, which is really good for creating simple websites and blogs. And you can host it for free using Netlify. So the first thing we're going to do is find a theme. We're going to open Awesome Astro, which is a repository here on GitHub. And they have a list of themes. These are some nice themes right here, but we can do one with Odyssey, which is a nice theme that I like. So I'm just going to click use this template and create a new repository on my own GitHub account. So I'll just call it my new blog. I can make this private if I choose. Now that's going to copy all of the files from the template repository into a new repository on my account where I can edit it. Then I'm going to go to Netlify, and Netlify is free, so you can just make an account here. I'm going to log into my account, add a new site, import an existing project. So what that means is import a GitHub repository. Type the name of the repository because I have a lot of repositories that I'll have to search through, and I'll select that. These default settings should work fine, so I'm just going to click deploy. And what that's doing is it's spinning up a new domain. It's taking the files, the markdown and text files from the repository, from the template, and it's compiling those into HTML with all of the images and all of the resources needed to run the website. And it's going to store those in a static HTML bucket somewhere on the Netlify CDN so that anyone can access it, and it runs very fast. So after a few minutes, you should see that change to published. And what that means is that we can now go to this Netlify domain, and you'll see the website has been published. So obviously this is the template with all of the template content. But what we can also do is we can go to our GitHub repository here, and as you can see, these are all of the files that were used to generate the website. And I could go to, I'd want to go here under theme, and under, I believe, under source and pages, and here I have different posts and things that are markdown files, and I can actually edit these files. And when I edit these files and save them, which I can do via GitHub or on my own computer, that will actually trigger a recompile and a redeploy on Netlify, and it will update the site just like that. And of course, you probably don't want to use this domain name for your professional website, but that's no problem because actually using Netlify, you can actually configure your own domain names that you have previously purchased for free. And let's see where that is. So probably under domain management. Here I can actually add a domain. I can put in a domain name that I own, and it will show me exactly how to configure my DNS settings to point that domain name to my new Netlify site for free. So that's just a really simple intro to how you can quickly set up a static website or blog using GitHub and Netlify and Astro. It's probably the easiest way to do something like this these days if you're not afraid to get a little bit involved with markdown code. And yeah, I'll probably put up another video in the future showing how you can sort of customize this process more for your particular use case or need. Hope that's helpful.